When you think of Italy, what comes to mind? Family, incredible food, great wine, or maybe a luxury car like a gorgeous deep red Ferrari. That mix of passion for engineering, design, and craftsmanship is fundamental to everything that the Bertazzoni brand stands for. And since 1882, and for more than 140 years, in the heart of Italy, one family has been shaping how the world cooks. 6 generations later, nothing's changed. They're still designing everything in Italy and still focused on beauty and performance, and still delivering some of the best value in the luxury appliance world. Today, we're talking all about Bertazzoni appliances and what makes them such a strong option for both designers and homeowners, and what makes them so truly special. Bertazzoni offers 3 styles for their appliances, and the first of the 3 is the Professional series, the line that really captures their signature Italian design. This is the series people choose when they want a clean, modern look with a premium feel. You get Bertazzoni's iconic ergonomic metal knobs, their sleek handles, and a really polished aesthetic that fits beautifully into their contemporary spaces. If you want a kitchen that feels modern, elevated, and intentional, the Professional series is the one to look at. Next is the Bertazzoni Master series, the sweet spot for people who want a professional style appliance without the bulk or heaviness that you see in a traditional pro style brand. The Master series brings a precision engineered look with a large round metal knob and angled handles that feel substantial and professional. Think of the Master series as a bridge between a commercial aesthetic and a refined Italian design, strong, capable, and built for people who cook often. And finally, the Bertazzoni Heritage series, easily the most distinctive line they make. The collection celebrates the company's roots, inspired by their original wood-burning stoves from over a century ago. You'll see the history in the details, the classic style handles, the sculpted knobs, and the warmth traditional design language. If your project leans traditional, transitional, or anything that calls for a timeless character, the Heritage series brings a story and a level of charm that really stands out. Bertazzoni prides itself on bringing that Italian design flair. This thinking has led to the brand to create special finishes and color options inspired by the pinnacle of Italian craftsmanship. With design inspirations from luxury car experts and northern Italian nature and culture alike, they've given a way for the client to express themselves. Automotive quality and texture powder-coated paint, unique, deep, and lustrous finishes, and a durable enamel process that allows you to not only showcase your appliance in style, but buy in confidence knowing years of engineering and design went into a beautiful product that will stand the test of time. One of the most popular and highlighted options is their Carbonio finish. It stands not just as a finish, but as a bold declaration of the brand's devotion to crafting beauty that withstands the test of time. You can see it paired here with their 48-inch all-induction range. This range comes equipped with 6 cooking zones, maxing out at a powerful 3,700 watts, 2 oven cavities with 7 shelves, a meat probe, bridging options for large cookware, a cast iron griddle, and comes with a dedicated air frying mode for healthier cooking that has to be used with their included stainless steel mesh basket. This induction range is also available in 30 and 36-inch widths. Not only are Bertazzoni ranges beautiful and engineered with purpose, but so are their wall ovens. For bakers, roasters, and broilers, you will be elated to cook. The controls feel natural, the cooking cycles are predictable and consistent, and the ovens are engineered to deliver heat and dependable results time after time. For those who want to elevate their cooking, the Steam Assist feature adds another level of versatility, allowing for gentler cooking that locks in moisture, preserves flavor, and produces bakery quality results. For the ultimate flexibility, Bertazzoni offers convection speed and steam ovens as well to give the chef all the tools they need to prepare their meals. And after all the cooking is done, cleanup needs to be just as effortless. Bertazzoni's dishwashers come in both 18 and 24-inch sizes, giving you options for any kitchen layout. Their top model offers powerful cleaning performance with 3 spray arms and a dedicated direct wash zone built to handle tough, baked-on residue. It accommodates up to 16 place settings and includes 3 adjustable racks with a full-width cutlery tray, a height adjustable middle rack, and a lower rack with folding tines for added flexibility. You get 8 wash cycles and 7 additional options, all controlled through a sleek, concealed interface. The Power Dry Plus system substantially improves the drying performance, especially on glass and those plastic pieces too. With this level of performance, the dishwasher operates at just 39 decibels, quiet enough to be virtually unnoticed. To round out the full Bertazzoni suite, their refrigeration lineup gives you the ultimate flexibility with built-in columns, built-in bottom mount units, and freestanding models. The columns are engineered for longevity and performance, featuring a side-mounted evaporator that delivers exceptional depth and storage capacity. Bright top and lateral LED lighting provide a full visibility on the interior, while the touch control interface offers precise temperature management to maximize food preservation. A variable speed compressor improves accuracy and efficiency, and the proprietary lift and swing hinge allows for true flush installation. Whether installed individually or side by side, their bottom mount refrigeration uses a lateral airflow system with dual compressors and evaporators, minimizing cold air loss and providing the best-in-class interior space. No matter which configuration you choose, Bertazzoni refrigeration delivers strong performance, thoughtful engineering, and outstanding reliability. Bertazzoni appliances are more than functional tools. They reflect a legacy of style, performance, and family-driven craftsmanship that has endured for generations. The brand has earned a strong reputation within the design community and across the globe. Award-winning designers and nationally recognized firms frequently specify Bertazzoni, and the products have been featured in HGTV renovations, high-profile remodels, and countless standout projects. The kitchens created with Bertazzoni are not only highly functional, but are often truly stunning. Our showrooms are designed to showcase the very best of what Bertazzoni offers: bold design, thoughtful engineering, and that unmistaken Italian craftsmanship. Seeing these appliances in person truly makes a difference. The weight of the handles, the precision of the controls, the richness of the finishes, and the overall feel of a brand that's been perfecting its craft for more than a century. We invite you to book an appointment and experience it for yourself. Walk through the space, explore the full lineup, and get a true sense of how Bertazzoni can elevate your next project. There's nothing quite like standing in front of the real thing, and we're here to help you make the most of it.